Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter display, and as you can see right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change between light and dark mode. In more dark mode options we can adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for apps. Also, we can schedule the dark mode. Next we can change brightness level of the display manually, enable or disable automatic brightness and sunlight mode. Then we can enable or disable anti-flicker mode, reading mode, that we can also schedule and adjust. Next we can change color scheme and enable or disable adaptive colors and change color temperature between default, warm, cool or custom. Next we can change refresh rate between default or custom. The highest is 120 and the lowest is 60 Hz. Then we can change AI image engine, which means we can enable or disable super resolution, AI image enhancement, and AI HDR enhancement. Then we can change font, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.